If you are a growing YouTuber with less than 1,000 subscribers and you want to create videos that will go viral and help you increase the chances of getting monetized quickly, then you need to watch this video till the end. Like you, I'm a growing YouTuber who has had some success with creating viral YouTube long form content and even shorts, even when I had less than 1K subscribers, and I want to show you exactly how I did it. But before then, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my videos whenever I upload new ones, because I will be uploading more videos like this that show you tips and strategies to grow on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you certain SEO tips and tricks that I use to achieve my own viral video success, and I'll also show you how to jump on trends, how to find trendy video ideas, use those videos ideas to create content that have the potential to go viral. I'll also show you how to use your YouTube Studio to find those trendy video ideas that have the potential to go viral for you or for your channel. So stay with me and let's get started. And the very first thing you should do before you even start filming, before you bring out your filming equipment, is to find out what video ideas have the potential to go viral. If you cannot find out what video ideas have the potential to go viral, then there is no point creating video, because you would then waste your time, you waste your energy, or any other resources you would have put into creating a video. So first of all, find out those viral video ideas that you think will work for your channel. Write them down before we now head on to the screening process. And the screening process is very simple.
Once you get an idea for a video, you should use YouTube's search tab on your home page and type in the search idea that you have. The next thing you want to also look out for are recent videos of YouTubers who have more views than subscribers. If you find enough of this, then it tells you that making such a video might be profitable to you. And then you also want to download TubeBuddy and vidIQ Chrome extensions, because they will give you insight into how well your search idea is doing on YouTube. So let's check a few of these things out. So the result here says that for this particular search term, which is how to use Telegram, the search volume for this is 58, and then the competition is medium, and then you can see other details. This is based on TubeBuddy's analysis. If we scroll down, we can see the top channels for this search term, right? The top channel is Teleblog, followed by my channel, Anywhere My Content Queen, yay! And then we have Harley's World. So you can view these channels on YouTube to check out the kind of content that they have. You can see my channel is the second top channel for this particular search term, how to use Telegram. Another benefit of having TubeBuddy or vidIQ Chrome extension, or having both of them, is that you can use this Chrome extension to figure out the keywords that these channels that are doing well have used. Now, like I said earlier, we'll look at the date that the video was posted, and then we'll look at the subscriber to view ratio. So for that first channel, we could see that the person had more subscribers, more views than subscribers, and the video was posted 4 years ago. You can also see related search terms that you can use for your tags. And then looking at my channel, my video was created several months ago with 4.1k views as at the time of this video, and I just have 620 subscribers, which means there are more views than subscribers, which is a really good thing. Now, if you want to copy my tags, the tags I used, you can copy them using TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy would avail you that opportunity to copy tags. So I prefer that you use both TubeBuddy and vidIQ, because there are some things that TubeBuddy would do for you, the free version, that vidIQ would not do for you. Alright, and vice versa. So you can copy that tag, and then you'll also be able to see related search queries. You'll be able to see the keyword score and know which one to use, so that when you create this type of video, you will know the exact keywords, the exact tags to use, so that your video will also do incredibly well, or even better than the ones that are already here. So we can see with two bodies showing us the result of the keywords. And then we're also going to see something like VPH. That is what vidIQ shows you. VPH is views per hour. How many views per hour are coming to that particular channel, and how long was it created? So these are things you want to consider. Just get these extensions.
Alternative to the SEO tip I just gave you, the one you just watched now and learned from, is by going to your YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is very important when it comes to finding trendy video ideas, and this is exactly how you can use your YouTube Studio to find out those ideas or those video topics that have the potential to go viral for your channel.
Go to your YouTube Creator Studio, go to analytics, click on research, and under research you will see a couple of options. Now, because you have a new channel, you'll not be able to see what your viewers are searching, but under searches across YouTube, if you just have an idea for a video, when you click on it and then you type in that search idea or search term, so you type it in and then you just figure out if it's doing well. So you'd see that some have high search volume on YouTube, so just go for those ones.
Additional SEO tips that are very important and not talked about a lot by so many YouTubers, including established YouTubers, include the following. The first one is, make sure that after exporting your video, when you have edited your video, is that you rename that video to the title of your video. So say for instance, if you exported your video, you need to rename that video to what you want to title that video on YouTube. Second, with the tips I gave you to find out keywords that will rank your video high, you can then decide on a major keyword, and that major keyword should be the keyword that you have confidence that people are most likely going to search for. So say for instance, you want to create a video on how to boil water, right? How to boil water. Now, that's how to boil water is going to be a search term people would most likely use to search either on Google or on YouTube. And as you know, YouTube and Google are owned by the same company. So you want to get the major keyword in the title of your video. Once the major keyword that people would most likely search for is in the title of your video, you have a very high chance of creating a viral video. If you look at my own video that went viral, even when I had less than 1K subscribers, I created a video on how to use Telegram for your online course. And trust me, the keywords that people have been searching for is how to use Telegram. Just how to use Telegram alone on Google search, and my video is one of those that pops up. If you check it on YouTube, it's one of those that also pops up. So you want to be strategic with your main keywords. Now, once you've discovered the main keyword, make sure that that main keyword is in the title of your video, because that is what YouTube algorithm will pick up, right? Once it's in the title of your video, point 3 would then be that the title of your video should be in the first paragraph of your description. If you've not been using description, you are sleeping on YouTube algorithm, and it's very wrong. YouTube will not be able to pick up what your video is about. The description of your video is what will tell YouTube what your video is about, and then help them decide who they want to share that video to. So make sure that in your description, the first paragraph explains what your video is about and has the title of your video there. Now, point 4, as much as possible, make sure you say the title of your video in your video or in the hook. Now, if you notice in this video, I started by saying if you have less than 1K subscribers, I want to learn how to create viral videos and stay with me to the end, right? That's a hook. And now that hook contains the title of my video. If you look at the title of this video and you go back to the beginning to listen to the hook, you will find the title of my video in my hook, and that is what you want to do. Now, apart from trying to sustain your viewers' attention, or people who just stumble on your channel, apart from trying to sustain their attention with your hook also gives YouTube an idea of what your video is about. Now, your hook is that sentence or that promise of a solution that you give to your audience or your viewers or whoever is listening to your video that will make them watch it to the end. So make sure the title of your video is in your hook, and as much as you can, just say certain keywords or the title in the middle of your video. Final point 5, make use of YouTube Shorts. Now, once you've created a long form content for your YouTube channel, you should also create the shorts version. Now, if you have time, you can decide to turn the orientation of your camera. I talked about this in my video, how to film YouTube content or how to edit videos for YouTube. You want to click on the cards there and just check out these videos. I'm not going to go into that, but if you do not have time, you can repurpose your long form content into short form content by editing and cutting out certain parts. Now, this is important because your short form content has the potential to reach a large number of people that your long form content will not reach. Now, when you create or you extract short form content in form of YouTube Shorts and then you upload it with a description, make sure that you use a description, because that description is what will tell YouTube what that short is about. It's just like providing an answer to someone's search query on YouTube, right? So once you've put your description and you've put in your title and you've posted your YouTube Shorts or short form content, the next thing you need to do with YouTube Shorts is by taking the full link, the link to the full video from which that short was extracted, and then pinning it in the comments. So anyone who watches that short and feels like, okay, maybe they see one comment or they see two comments and they click on it, the first thing they would see is the pinned comment that carries the link to the long form content. So what you are doing is by using the 15 seconds or 30 seconds of YouTube Shorts to attract people to your channel and then making them watch the long form content. Indirectly, you're telling YouTube, hey, my channel is lit, people are watching my short form content and they are watching my long form content too, and this actually helps you grow. Another thing you can do is by using captions or using trending music for your YouTube Shorts. Now, YouTube Shorts barely or rarely has copyright issues when it comes to music. There is a lot of terms and conditions and new things that YouTube has brought out, in the sense that you can use music for your YouTube Shorts, certain copyrighted music that YouTube Shorts will even provide for you. However, when you start monetizing your shorts, the creator of those music will take a certain percentage cut. Like, I don't really want to go into all that, but you can find out yourself. But that's just how it works. So if there are certain songs or certain sounds or trends that are going on, you can jump on them and repurpose them for your YouTube Shorts content, or just find a way to incorporate those trends into your given niche. And by doing this, you are increasing your chances of creating viral YouTube videos. So all these things I have shared with you is everything I currently know about creating viral YouTube videos with less than 1,000 subscribers. I have shown you how to create viral YouTube videos with less than 1K subscribers in 2023, and this is what I used. Okay, so let me know in the comments if any of this actually makes sense to you. Let me know if you try them later and then you find them helpful and probably it gave you some results on your channel. I would really like to hear from you. I like feedback and it just helps me know what kind of content to create for you. That being said, if you have watched this video till this point and you are yet to subscribe to my channel or turn on the notification bell, please do so, and you do not want to miss out on my next video, which you can watch by clicking on your screen above. See you in my next video. Bye.